Want deeper bass and a cleaner sound from your car speakers? Today we review the best amplifier for car sound system performance and value. We break down RMS power, channel types, and sound clarity to help you choose the right car amplifier. Get ready to boast your car audio experience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best amplifier for car sound system. Let's get started.
1. Boss Audio Systems R1100M Monoblock Amplifier. If your goal is strong, punchy bass without spending too much, this amp is worth a look. The Boss R1100M is a monoblock amplifier built mainly for subwoofers. It delivers up to 1100 watts peak power, which is solid for its price range of around $70 to $110. That makes it a popular pick for budget-friendly car audio upgrades. You can adjust it to match your music style, whether you like deep rumble or tighter hits. The MOSFET power supply keeps performance stable during longer drives. It also stays compatible with 2 to 8 ohm setups, giving you more options when choosing subwoofers. That said, it's focused only on bass. It won't power full speakers. Build quality feels decent, though not premium. Yaeccc, the great amplifier for beginners who want affordable, solid bass performance in their car system. 2. Pioneer GM-A3702 2-channel amplifier. If you want clean sound with a simple setup, this amp is a solid choice. The Pioneer GM-A3702 is a 2-channel amplifier that delivers up to 500 watts max output. It usually sells between $80 and $130, which feels fair for the performance it offers. This amp works well for powering door speakers or a small subwoofer setup. Installation is easier than many other amps. The automatic signal sensing feature means it can turn on without a remote wire. That's helpful if you're using a factory head unit. You also get built-in high-pass and low-pass filters, so you can adjust sound output to fit your setup. The size is compact, so it fits in tight spaces easily. Build quality feels strong and reliable. Verdict: the best amplifier for drivers who want clear, balanced sound and an easy upgrade from factory audio systems.
3. Boss Audio Systems R1004 4-channel amplifier. If you're building a full car audio setup on a budget, this amp is a smart pick. The Boss R1004 is a 4-channel amplifier that lets you power multiple speakers at once. It delivers up to 400 watts peak and usually costs between $60 and $100. That makes it one of the most affordable options for a complete system upgrade. That makes installation easier for most users. Sound quality is decent for daily driving. It handles mids and highs well, especially at moderate volume levels. Music feels clear enough for casual listening, though it may lose some clarity when pushed too hard. Still, for the price, it performs better than expected. The compact design helps with installation in tight spaces. Controls are simple and easy to adjust. Verdict: the best amplifier for users who want loud audio and strong bass without spending too much money. 4. Pyle PLA2200 2-channel amplifier. If you like loud sound and strong bass, this amp is worth checking out. The Pyle PLA2200 is a 2-channel amplifier that claims up to 1400 watts peak power. It usually sells between $90 and $140, which makes it a solid mid-range option for louder setups. This amp works well for both speakers and subwoofers. You can also bridge the channels to push more power into a single sub. That's useful if you want deeper, more noticeable bass. The overall sound feels powerful and punchy, especially for bass-heavy tracks. However, clarity can drop slightly at very high volume levels. It focuses more on loudness than precision. Build quality feels decent for the price. Verdict: the best amplifier for users who want loud audio and strong bass without spending too much money.
5. Yaeccc 3200W 4-channel car amplifier. If you want a full system upgrade on a tight budget, this amp can help. The Yaeccc 3200W 4-channel full-range car amplifier looks powerful on paper. It usually sells between $70 and $120, which makes it attractive for first-time buyers. You get 4 channels, so you can run front and rear speakers or mix in a small subwoofer. Setup feels simple, even for beginners. Vocals sound clear enough, and bass has some presence, though it is not very tight or deep. It works fine for casual listening, especially during normal driving. Build quality feels light but acceptable for the price. It's not meant for high-end systems. Verdict? The best amplifier for beginners who want affordable, simple amp for a basic car audio setup. 6. Taramps DS 440X4 Multichannel Amplifier. If you care about clean sound and efficiency, this amp is a strong option. The Taramps DS 440X4 is a 4-channel amplifier that delivers 440 watts RMS. It usually sells between $100 and $160, which feels fair for its performance and build quality. This amp uses a Class D design, which helps reduce heat and improve efficiency. It delivers clear mids and highs with tight and controlled bass. It works well for speakers and light subwoofer setups. The fixed crossover helps keep the sound balanced without much tuning effort. It's not built for extreme loudness or heavy bass setups. Instead, it focuses on clean and stable output for everyday listening. Verdict: the best amplifier for users who want clear, efficient sound in a compact amp for daily driving.
7. DS18 Candy X4B 4-channel amplifier. If you want strong output in a small package, this amp is a great pick. The DS18 Candy X4B is a compact 4-channel amplifier with up to 1,600 watts peak power. It usually costs between $130 and $200, which places it in the mid-range category. Despite its size, it delivers solid performance for both speakers and subwoofers. This amp uses a Class D design, which helps keep heat low and efficiency high. That means it runs cool even during long drives. The small size makes installation easy, especially in cars with limited space. You can fit it under seats or in tight compartments without trouble. Build quality feels more refined than cheaper options. It's built for users who want both performance and compact design. Verdict? The best amplifier for users who want strong, clear sound in a small, modern amplifier setup. Which is the best amplifier for a car sound system you should buy? If your main focus is deep, heavy bass, the Boss L1100M is a great starting point. It's affordable and built for subwoofers, which makes it ideal for bass lovers on a budget. If you care more about clean, balanced sound for daily music, the Pioneer A3702 makes more sense. For a full system upgrade without spending much, the Boss R1004 gives you flexibility. You can run multiple speakers without needing extra gear. Now, if you want louder output with stronger bass impact, the Pyle PLA2200 is a better fit. It's built for volume and energy. If efficiency and clean sound matter most, go with the Taramps DS 440X4. But if you want the best mix of size, sound quality, and overall performance, the DS18 Candy X4B stands out.